look what delivered, boys. Finally. Finally. I've been waiting all day for these. When I say all day, it's only 2 o'clock, so it's like, bro. But finally. $395 later. $395 later. And we got some freaking fire. I forgot what brand this is. It's like Alpha Rex. I saw these on YouTube. It was like, yo, these are so sick, I gotta buy. Got paid literally the day after and bought. I could buy the headlights currently if I needed to, but they're $700. Also, the audio is terrible. Don't mind it. My microphone's broken, and I gotta get some wireless ones at some point. But don't mind that. You got the little Alpha Rex, the logo thing, and a sticker. Yo, y'all know like my sticker. I'll put that on the back of the window. I also got my other Flowmaster sticker on there. Holy crap, that's interesting. These are so sick. As you guys know, this is what I plan on doing with my Silverado, is getting new taillights, but I tinted them instead. Dude, this is like a long awaited dream of mine. Thank you, Chevy, for hiring me. Dude, oh my god. You're freaking sick. Let's go ahead and peel. No, stop. Alright, before we get these installed, we're obviously going to have to record some before and afters. But we will install these. And you guys, so once these are installed, then you'll see the before and after. So that makes any sense. Alright, we'll be starting on the passenger side. So get your Torx bits. And if you have a drill, it'll be way easier like that. So get your drill. I want to say this is like a T25 maybe. What is this? T20? Perfect. Alright. Go to the one brick. Don't need it that powerful. Just a tweaker, you know? Don't lose these, obviously. It'll be bad. Unless you got new ones to replace them with. Like I don't, but you know, probably should. You know. Alright, then you should just be able to pull them out. The thing with these second gens is they're really hard to come out. And then you just twist the lights and boom. Old one is out. My bulbs are completely useless now. Look, they take the bulb's spot. Yeah. They take the bulb's spot. Okay, cool. So, then what I'm guessing is you just, yep, they're literally that connector. So I bought these for no reason. Good to know. They were a temporary doer. If that makes any sense. I have no idea what this little guy's for. Wait for the reverse lights they sell, I'm assuming. Alright, now we're just going to push these in here. Maybe not all the way, just a little. Oh my gosh. That is freaking sick.
In a circle, put it in a circle, in a circle, in a circle. How we going dumb in a circle, in a circle, in a circle, wow. Throwing up ones in a circle, in a circle, in a circle, wow. Oversized jeans on a white tee, keep a whole lead, but I'm low-key hyphy, wow. Now we going dumb in a circle, in a circle, in a circle, wow. They riding my wave like Poseidon, finna wash out your island. We be Holy Ghost riding, baby dropping out like Joe Biden. I got motion, I got Christ like Clofit. It's all on me, same team, can't quit. Mainstream, Minnick, we can't be switched. God's call on me. Show me not to do it, but I'm doing it again. Chase God, not trenches, started losing all my friends. Show me not to do it, but I'm doing it again. Going dumb, going stupid with your friends. circle, in a circle. In a circle, in a circle, wow. Oversized jeans on a white tee. Keep a whole lead, but I'm low-key hyphy. Wow, now we going dumb in a circle, in a circle, in a circle. Wow.
At 21, I was a savage like Fenty. I didn't need a reason, but right now I got plenty. Me and Miles carrying the left West Indies. Tired of them sleeping, so we waking up Gen Z. Bro, the last will be first, so I stood in line. I'm in my bag like a purse, that was his design. You either learn to stay alert or learn to stay inside. Put the devil in the dirt, don't you tempt me with a good time. R.I.P., Yahweh, all I need. Left my ways for the way, now it's all high speed. Christ blood in my IV, you is all high C. I got son of the king all on my ID.